Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is type of matrices. First matrix I am going to define is a row matrix. A matrix having only one row is called a row matrix. For example, 1, 2, 3. This matrix has only one row. For other example, we can say a matrix like this is a row matrix. Second one is column matrix. A matrix having only one column is called a column matrix. For example, you can write a matrix like this. A matrix having only one column is known as a column matrix. Next one is rectangular matrix. As we know that rectangle is a shape which has opposite sides equal in length. So for a rectangle matrix, a matrix whose number of rows are not equal to number of columns is called a rectangular matrix. For example, a matrix like this. This matrix has two rows and one column. So the number of rows are not equal to number of columns. So it is a rectangular matrix. For another example, we can say that 1, 2, 3. This matrix has This matrix has two rows and three columns. Now the number of rows are not equal to number of columns. That's why this is also a rectangular matrix. So matrix whose number of rows are not equal to number of columns is called a rectangular matrix. For a square matrix, square is a shape whose all sides are equal. So we can say a matrix whose number of rows are equal to number of columns is called a square matrix. For example, a matrix like this. It has only one row and one column. Number of rows are equal to number of columns. That's why it is a square matrix. We can say 1, 2, 3, 4. In this matrix, the matrix has two rows and two columns. So number of rows are equal to number of columns. That's why it is a square matrix. For its definition, we can say a matrix whose number of rows are equal to number of columns is called a square matrix. The next one is null or zero matrix. A matrix whose elements are zero. So we can say a matrix having all elements 0 in any order. A matrix in any order having all elements equal to 0 is called a null or zero matrix. Next one is transpose of a matrix. How we can find out the transpose of a matrix? For example, there is a matrix A which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a matrix of order 2 by 2. If we have to find the transpose of this matrix, we can write like this: A transpose is equal to. Now we will interchange the rows into columns, or we can interchange the columns into rows. That would be equal to the A transpose. For another example, we can say B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a matrix of 3 by 2. For its transpose, we have to exchange the columns into rows. So this matrix would become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So B transpose is of order 2 by 3. Now moving on to next definition, which is negative of a matrix. How can we find the negative of a matrix? If we have matrix A which is 0, negative 1, 2, negative 3. The negative of A would be represented as negative A, and it can be calculated by changing the signs of the matrix. For 0, the sign wouldn't change. For negative 1, it would become 1 positive. For 2, it would become negative 2. For negative 3, it would become positive 3. So we can find the negative of any matrix. Suppose the matrix is 0, negative 1, 3. The negative of this matrix would be 0, 1, negative 3. Moving on to next topic, which is symmetric matrices. What is a symmetric matrix? A matrix whenever we take a transpose of a matrix and it is equal to the matrix whose transpose is to be taken is known as symmetric matrix. We can say a matrix A whose transpose is equal to the matrix A, then the matrix would be called symmetric matrix. For example, we can say A is a matrix which is 1, 2, 3, 2, negative 1, 4, 3, 4, 0. Now take transpose of this matrix. If we take the transpose of this matrix, the rows would become columns, the columns would become rows. Now the first row is 1, 2, 3, it would become 1, 2, 3. Second row is 2, negative 1, 4, it will become the second column, 2, negative 1, 4. Now the third row would become the third column, 3, 4, 0. Now compare the elements of A with A transpose. The first element is 1, then 2, then 3. Here 1, 2, 3. For second column it is 2, negative 1, 4, 2, negative 1, 4. For third it is 3, 4, 0, 3, 4, 0. Now we can say that A is equal to A transpose. So the matrix A would be symmetric matrix. Next topic is skew symmetric matrix. If the transpose of a matrix is equal to negative of that matrix, then it is called skew symmetric matrix. For example, 0, 2, 3, negative 2, 0, 1, negative 3, negative 1, 0. This is a matrix B. Now we have to take the transpose of this matrix. It would become B transpose is equal to, the columns would be interchanged to rows. The first column is 0, negative 2, 3. It would become 0, negative 2, negative 3. Second column 2, 0, negative 1. The third column 3, 1, 0. Now comparing the elements, it is 0, negative 2, negative 3. I am taking negative common. If I take a negative sign common, the signs of the entries would be reversed. It would become 0, negative 2, negative 3, 2, 0, negative 1, 3, 1, 0. Now comparing the elements with B, it is 0, negative 2, 3. The first column is same. 2, 0, negative 1, 3, 1, 0, 3, 1, 0. So B transpose is equal to negative of B. So from here we can conclude that B is a skew symmetric because its transpose is equal to negative of B. Moving on to next topic, which is diagonal matrix. Whenever we measure the screen of any device like LCD, monitors, screens, mobiles, we measure it like this. This is called diagonal. This is called the diagonal of a matrix. If there is only one non-zero element on the diagonal of a matrix and all the other elements are 0, then it is called a diagonal matrix. For example, this is the diagonal of a matrix. It has numbers other than the diagonal, all elements are 0. Here is another example. The diagonal has elements and all other are 0. In this example, there is only one element on the diagonal and all other elements are 0. So all of these are examples of diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix is a matrix which has at least one non-zero element at the diagonal, and other than the diagonal all elements are 0. So then it is called a diagonal matrix. Now what is a scalar matrix? Scalar matrix is a type of diagonal matrix whose diagonal has the same elements. So we can say a scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix. A scalar matrix is a type of diagonal matrix whose elements on the diagonal are same. For example, a matrix having 2 on the diagonal, a diagonal matrix having 2 on the diagonal is called a scalar matrix. A matrix having k on the diagonal is called a scalar matrix. A matrix having 3 on the diagonal is called a scalar matrix. Moving on to our last topic, which is identity matrix. A diagonal matrix whose diagonal consists of only one. A diagonal matrix whose diagonal consists of only one as an element. In this 3 by 3 matrix, all diagonal elements are 1. In this 2 by 2 matrix, all diagonal elements are 1. In this diagonal matrix of 1 by 1, all elements are 1. Then all of these matrices are identity matrices.